Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how to make these juicy chicken meatballs. And for those of you who have lots of zucchini and tomato left over in your garden that you don't know what to do with, it will pair beautifully with these meatballs. And it makes for a quick and easy dinner, especially because it's all on one sheet pan, so easy cleanup. Let me show you how to put that together. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. First thing we want to do is we want to take our bread that has been cubed and we want to add some water and we want to just let it set aside. In a large bowl we want to add our ground chicken, we want to add our Parmesan cheese, our clove of garlic, our spices which consist of dried oregano, salt, pepper, and a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. We want to mix until all of the meat is combined, and then of course we do want to add our bread and water mix. We want to add that to our meat and just mix everything all up. I like to use a scoop just so that my meatballs are all the same size and will evenly cook. I like to place them all out on my tray first, and then I go ahead and shape my meatballs. A trick to shaping meatballs so that the meat doesn't stick to your hand is if you put a little olive oil on your hand and roll your meatballs, cupping your hands with the olive oil, you'll notice that the meat won't stick and you'll get perfectly round meatballs. In the same bowl that we used our meatballs to mix, we don't have to get another bowl dirty, we can go ahead and add our vegetables. I like to try to keep these bite-sized, so I will cube up my tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes from the garden. I've also got some zucchinis that I'll add in here and a purple onion. To that we'll add our garlic clove, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and oregano, salt, and pepper. We want to then place all of our cut up vegetables around our meatballs. Place our meatballs in an oven of 350 degrees and cook for about 40 to 50 minutes, or as soon as the internal temperature of the meatball reaches 165 degrees. So to finish up our meatballs, what I like to do is I like to go back through and just give a quick drizzle of olive oil. I also like to add lemon juice. This is very popular in Italy to add lemon juice onto meat. It'll give it a really nice fresh flavoring to it. And I also like to garnish with a little bit of fresh parsley. Then we can just kind of toss everything together and get ready to plate it. And let me show you what it'll look like plated here. So to plate it, I like to put my vegetables down as a base, and then I put my meatballs on top, and this is perfect. I garnish with a little bit more parsley. You could add Parmesan cheese, you could do another drizzle of olive oil. Possibilities are endless. This is a great weeknight dinner. It's got your carbs, your protein. It's really a healthy dinner for you. I hope you give this one a try. Please like if you like this video and subscribe for more great recipes. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.